Well, now we are swiftly shifting our focus to Telangana, where at least 8 workers are feared trapped after a portion of under-construction tunnel collapsed in Telangana on Saturday. Now, the collapse occurred on a portion of the tunnel behind the Sirisalam Dam when some workers had gone inside to repair a leak. While dozens of them managed to escape the scene, several remain continued to trap inside yet. Now, Collector B. Santosh said there has been no contact with those trapped and the internal communication mechanism has also failed. Now, the air chamber and the conveyor belt have both collapsed inside. Now, the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has expressed shock over the entire incident and has vowed assistance. PM Narendra Modi also called Telangana Chief Minister and discussed the rescue and assured all help. Now, for now, Engineer Task Force of Indian Army has already been mobilized to assist in the ongoing rescue operations.
8 पीस मतलब अंदर रह गए हैं, बाकी लोग सब आ गए हैं।
अब उन लोग कहाँ से
झारखंड से आए।
లోపలికి వెళ్ళడానికి వీలు లేకుండా మొత్తం అడ్డం పడిపోయిందండి. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి రెస్క్యూ చేయాలన్నా మొత్తం వాటర్ వస్తున్నాయి కంటిన్యూగా. మోకాళ్ళలో బురద ఉంది. దీని మీద తర్వాత యాక్షన్ తీసుకోవాలి మళ్ళీ.
The Chief Minister has been monitoring with me throughout the day, with me at the site and he from Hyderabad. The Chief Minister also told me that he spoke to the Prime Minister on this issue and the Government of India would also send their best available experts on tunnels to the site by early morning tomorrow. And we had a review meeting with the Chief Minister now after I came back from the tunnel. We said our government will do whatever we can to save the 8 lives.
SDRF 120 people, experts in saving this type of accidents, they have come. They are trying to do their best. Because of the night, I think they may start doing their work from tomorrow or tonight itself. They are all having discussion, internal discussion, intra-discussions, what to be done, how it is to be done.
जो टनल के काम चलते वक्त जो दुर्घटना घटे अभी तक उसके पूरे कार्रवाई मंत्री उत्तम रेड्डी जी और जुबिली जी वहीं बैठ के काम कर रहे हैं। एक्सीडेंटल इंसिडेंट है। सरकार की तरफ से पूरे प्रिकॉशन सिक्योरिटी मेजरमेंट लेने के बावजूद भी ये इंसिडेंट हुआ। इसके ऊपर जांच करेंगे ऐसा नहीं हुआ और आने वाला दिन में ऐसा नहीं होना करके पूरा प्रिकॉशन हम और देंगे।
First of all, it's a very unfortunate and a sad incident that the SLBC tunnel has collapsed. We just hope and pray at this point of the time for the well-being of the workers who are trapped inside the tunnel. We just hope that they are brought out to safety and the government provides them with the best of the medical care and medical facilities.
कुछ लोग अंदर फंस गए। सरकार की तरफ से पूरा प्रयास करके वो सबको सेफ लेकर के लिए तेलंगाना का स्टेट गवर्नमेंट प्रयास कर रहे। मैं गवर्नमेंट से अनुरोध करता हूं और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए हम पूरा देने को समर्थन तैयार है। ऑलरेडी हमारा एनडीआरएफ फोर्सेस भी हमारा लोग पहुंच रहे। उसके अलावा मैं गवर्नमेंट से तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट से अनुरोध करता हूं जो बाहर कुछ घायल हुआ है उनको ठीक तरीके से ट्रीटमेंट मिलना चाहिए।